today's video, we are going to be unboxing the September GlossyBox. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel, whichever is most relevant to you. And also to me, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while. I have not filmed a video in such a long time. I've had a few months off due to mental health, getting myself together and just generally just needing a break. Hopefully I am back, fingers crossed. I'm feeling good. Yeah. So the first video we are kicking off with is the September GlossyBox. This is the monthly box. Let's open this up and see what we've got. We have our normal pink box in here. So this costs, how much is it? I've got my notes here because my memory is absolutely disgusting. It's $13.50 per month. I do have a link and a code. I'll pop it down below in the information box and the comment box for you. Give it a click and pop in all them details and you will get your first box for £10, I believe. The longer you subscribe for with this box, the cheaper it becomes. But yeah, here is the box. They have currently got their advent calendars as well out. So I think it's £85 if you're a non-subscriber, and if you are a subscriber you get money off. I think you get it for 70. Double check that just to make sure though. I have got the advent calendar. They have very kindly sent it to me, even though bless them I haven't filmed a video in a little while, but yeah, they've sent it to me. I need to film that over the weekend so we can get that uploaded. Yes, it's looking good. It's looking very good, I must say. But yeah, here is this. I do pay for this monthly, and I also get a PR box from GlossyBox every month as well. So this is my PR box. But this is the edit card. It's a digital one. We just scan that code and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will come up with the information online. Opening this up, let's have a sneaky peek before we dive straight in. There we go. There is a quick sneak peek for you. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button somewhere down there, give it a little click, come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos, and there will be videos to upload. I am gonna get back into it. And yeah, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Let's get to it. The September edit is called Autumn Glow, and kicking off with the first product. So it's an either or. So the brand is Elmis, which is fantastic. Absolutely love Elmis. So you're either going to get a deluxe size Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is awesome. I love that cream. It's so good. Or you're going to get the deluxe size Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. So the facial wash has an RRP of £8.50 and the marine cream has an RRP of £37. That's quite a big difference. That's a huge difference, to be honest, but I don't care because it's Elmis. But looking at the one I have the facial wash one. So it's the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. Skin Refiner Cleanser. I can't wait to try this out. I honestly cannot wait. So it just says here, the Elmis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash gently refines the skin with its foam and gel formula. Using patented tri-enzyme technology, it removes dead skin cells, supporting the natural renewal. Antioxidants cleanse away pollutants and shield against environmental damage, whilst moringa babosu oil, I've murdered that, I do apologise. Nothing has changed there, I still like to murder words. And white truffle nourish and protect the skin's moisture barrier. That all sounds great to me, all of them ingredients. So yeah, Elmis. Just, I'm sure if I had a pot of poop and it had Elmis's name on it, I will still love it because it's Elmis. Okay, well maybe not that far, but hey, it's Elmis. I'm happy. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Youth Lab. I've never heard of this brand before. I've never tried anything from this brand before. This is a full-size product and it's a brightening boom mask. It has an RRP of £5.89. And it says a sheet mask powered by complex of 12 vitamins and transexamic acid, working like a bomb to refresh and rejuvenate the skin. Well, yeah, that just sounds amazing, doesn't it? So let's have a look. Yeah, brightens, revitalizes while minimizing spots, blemish, scars and discolorations. Ooh, silky microfiber sheet mask. So yeah, that all sounds good. I have got to start using my masks. My drawer is like overflowing. So we're gonna have to get some reviews out, and I'm really gonna have to kick myself and start doing them. I keep saying yeah, it's gonna have to be done. But yes, that looks good. Interesting to try it out since I've never tried anything with this brand that I can remember. Third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand St. Lux and it is a setting spray. Wow, this has a value of £19.83. Okie dokie. St. Lux's lightweight microfine setting mist enhances the skin's moisture retention and sets makeup with a radiant glow. Let's just make that bigger because I am struggling with my eyesight. Beyond flawless makeup, it revitalizes skin with active ingredients like purslane and hyaluronic acid, promoting skin healing and instant hydration for a dewy finish. Yeah, awesome. I mean, I must admit I am more of a matte girl, to be honest, but I'm willing to give it a go. I love a setting spray, and if it can keep my makeup in place, I don't actually mind if it's a glowy or matte. So yeah, if it works, awesome. So the fourth product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand MUA Makeup Academy. It's a full-size product and it is a velvet matte liquid lipstick. It has a value of £3.75, so really affordable. And it says, for that long-lasting pout, go back to matte with a new and improved version of our fan favourite velvet matte liquid lipstick, available in 13 lip shades. The new formula sits lightly on the lips to offer an incredible look without them drying out. Long wearing and smudge proof liquid lipstick with precision applicator, intensely bold colour and comfortable wear. Okay, so I am not a fan of liquid lipsticks, to be 100% honest with you. Let's just open this up and have a little swatch. Or I haven't found one that I actually like, because I always find on the line on the inside of your lips it always wears off and it looks weird. I've got lipstick on already, so we're just going to swatch it on the hand. But yeah, it looks just like a normal doe foot to me. This colour is beautiful. The shade I got this in is Heroic. Oh, that's beautiful. I really like that shade. If that does sit nice on my lips, I am gonna get on very well with that because that shade is stunning. So the fifth and final product on the actual edit card is this. So this is by the brand Mudmasky. It's a deluxe size, and it is a vitamin infused scalp serum. Ooh, something different. Happy with that. It has a value of £19. Wow. The deluxe size is 20 mils as well, and that has a value of £19. Oh wow. Rejuvenates your scalp's pH balance in 30 days, halting your hair loss by up to 72% in just 12 days. Crafted with botanicals and nourishing cold pressed oils, enriched with essential vitamins like B, D and E. This serum sustains scalp moisture, preserving hair elasticity and natural growth. Ideal for repairing chemically damaged hair, including relaxer, processed strands, bleach and heat damage. Tailored for all hair and skin types, dry, normal and oily. Okay, that actually sounds cool. I love trying stuff for my hair, and I really do like the Mudmasky brand, but you do kind of get sick of getting the same products that circulate in the beauty boxes over and over and over again, so it's so nice to get something different. So can't wait to try that out. So something that's not on the edit card must be a little freebie in the box, is this. I think we got it in last month's boxes as well, didn't we? I think. But yeah, this is Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. This is in the shade Passion Fruit. So you just whack this in a glass with some water, I believe. I've never tried it before. I know we got some last month and I haven't tried it. But yeah, I'll have to, because my water intake is a joke. I was doing so well and now I'm not. I really need to be more hydrated, so we'll have to give it a go and see what that's like. But I do like a freebie in the box. This is the September box. The edit is called Autumn Glow. What do you think? Personally, I actually really like the box. I think it's a canny little box. A full-size setting spray, which is expensive. Well, for me in any way expensive. I am a cheapskate, also bear that in mind. So yeah, a full-size setting spray. We have a lip product in there. I mean, hopefully I'll get on with this liquid lipstick. I don't know yet. We'll have to try it out. Obviously a full-size sheet mask, so that's 3 full-size products, and then we do have a couple of deluxe ones in there as well, not forgetting Elemis. Hello Elemis. And yeah, a lovely serum for the hair by Mudmasky, and a little free liquid IV product. So yeah, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But that concludes this video. I hope that you've liked it. There are more videos to come this week, so keep your eyes peeled. Like I say, I am back and we're gonna get some regular videos out, get them pumping again and get back in the swing of things. But yeah, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.